This vegetable comes from Eliosa Organic Farm, North Albany in Oregon. So super fresh radish and radish green. So this is kale. So very tender kales, enough moisture. You can eat whole, even the stem very soft. And a new green onion. We have two kinds, the purple or green onion. How about get the fresh minerals, pure mineral, and a beautiful energy in Oregon from the vegetable. Enjoy! Green onion, please eat whole things. So this is very soft, it's good flavor. How about just cut it, slice it, cut it to with the miso soup. Radish is just eating, please. Thank you. See you next time.